Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Emma.
And I'm James.
We're really happy you're here today.
Yes, thanks for spending some time with us.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling pretty good.
That's nice to hear.
How about you, Emma?
I'm feeling calm and ready to chat.
That sounds perfect.
Today feels like a good day to talk.
I agree.
Let's just have a relaxed conversation.
Yes, like two friends talking.
Exactly.
So, Emma, how was your morning?
It was quiet and simple. I had some tea. I checked my messages.
Sounds peaceful. I woke up a bit late, but that's okay.
That happens to me too.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I did. I had toast and fruit.
Nice and healthy.
What do you have?
Just coffee at first. Then I ate later.
Coffee mornings are very real.
Yes, very real.
Do you usually wake up early?
Not always. I try, but it's hard.
I understand that. Mornings can be tough.
They really can.
Do you like routines?
I do, but I also like freedom.
That's a good balance. What about you? I like simple routines. They help me feel calm.
That makes sense.
Speaking of routines, do you practice English every day?
I try to. Even a little helps.
I feel the same way. Short practice feels easier.
Yes, 10 minutes is better than nothing.
Exactly.
Do you think in English sometimes?
Yes, especially with simple thoughts, like plans or feelings.
That's great. I do that too.
It feels strange at first.
But it gets normal.
Yes, slowly.
Do you watch videos in English?
I do. Mostly short videos.
Same here. Long videos feel tiring sometimes.
True. Do you use subtitles?
Yes, often. First in English.
That's helpful. I like English subtitles too.
They help with pronunciation.
Yes, and new words.
Do you write new words down?
Sometimes. Not always.
I forget sometimes too.
That's normal.
Learning is not perfect.
Exactly. Do you listen to music in English?
All the time. Music makes learning fun.
I agree. I sing along sometimes.
Me too, even if it's wrong.
That's brave.
Or careless.
Either way, it helps.
Yes, it does.
Do you ever feel shy speaking English?
Yes, I do. Especially with new people.
I feel that too. My voice feels different.
Same here.
But practice helps confidence.
Slowly, yes.
Do you talk to yourself in English?
Sometimes. Mostly when I'm alone.
That's a good habit.
It feels safe.
Yes, no pressure.
Do you use apps for English?
I use a few, mostly for listening.
I like apps with short lessons.
Short lessons are less stressful.
Exactly.
Do you read books in English?
Simple ones. Stories for learners.
That's smart. I like short stories too.
They feel complete.
Yes, and satisfying.
Do you ever feel stuck with English?
Sometimes, yes. Like I'm not improving.
I feel that too. It can be frustrating.
Very frustrating.
But progress is slow and quiet.
That's true. Sometimes you don't notice it.
Until one day you understand more.
Exactly. Do you remember your first English words?
Yes, very basic ones. Like hello and thank you.
Same for me. Those words feel special.
They do.
Do you speak English at work?
A little. Mostly emails.
Emails can be tricky.
Yes, but they help practice.
That's a good way to see it.
Do you have English-speaking friends?
A few online. We chat sometimes.
That's great. Online chats feel easier.
Yes, less pressure.
Do you worry about mistakes?
I used to. Now I worry less.
That's good progress.
Mistakes are part of learning.
I try to remember that.
Do you understand fast speakers?
Not always. They speak so quickly.
Yes, it can be hard. I focus on keywords.
That helps a lot.
Do you repeat sentences out loud?
Sometimes it helps my mouth.
Yes, pronunciation needs practice.
English sounds can be tricky,
They really can.
but practice makes them easier.
Slowly, yes.
Do you enjoy learning English?
I do, most days. Some days are hard.
Same here. Motivation comes and goes.
That's normal. What helps you stay motivated?
Seeing small wins, like understanding a video.
That feels great.
I like that feeling too.
Do you study alone or with others?
Mostly alone, but I like conversations.
Conversations make it real.
Yes, very real.
Do you practice every day?
Almost every day, even 5 minutes.
That consistency matters.
I think so too.
Do you feel more confident now than before?
Yes, a little more. And that feels good.
That's progress.
Do you celebrate progress?
I try to, even small steps.
Small steps count.
They really do.
What would you tell new learners?
Be patient with yourself and keep going.
That's good advice.
What would you say?
Don't be afraid to speak, even if it's not perfect.
I agree with that.
English is about communication.
Yes, connection matters more.
Exactly.
We're really glad you're practicing with us.
Yes, thank you for listening.
You're doing better than you think.
Keep showing up
Keep practicing a little every day.
and be kind to yourself,
Learning takes time.
but you're moving forward.
We believe in you.
Truly.
Thanks for spending this time with us.
We'll talk again soon.
Take care.
Bye for now.